Shatter. You hear the trash man? Are you gonna bark, bark, bark at the trash man? I think you are. You hear the trash man? Is he coming? Is the trash man coming? Is that it? Yeah? Okay. Look at all those stuffed animals. I can't leave her room like this. So you guys gotta come in. We gotta clean it up. Okay, hello people. This is a day in my life. Who out there does not have to do this with their kids' room? Now, we did leave a little bit late last weekend and she did not get a chance to clean it up, but this is not good. I'm gonna have to sit down her with a couple glasses of hot chocolate and we've got to talk about this because this room is a disaster. But you know, I have never met a single parent that has not had to go into their kid's room and clean it up. So the one thing about my daughter's room is generally just her bed and trash on the floor. You saw, oh my God, how many stuffed animals she's got. All she wants is just a little place to sleep on the bed, but she loves sleeping with all those stuffed animals. So what I am doing right now is I am just making her bed, folding up all of the rest of her blankets and stuff, which she'll generally just put over the top of her. She doesn't actually get into her bed. I don't really understand that. And then throwing all of her stuffed animals. She has 55 stuffed animals she has to put on her bed. Now, if you guys are looking at the dog in the background, that Shatter, you just saw him in my first video. My daughter has a rat. And oh my God, he will just sit there and watch and watch and watch him. He absolutely loves it. Sometimes he'll put his front feet, like what he's doing right now, on the little shelf so he can get a little closer. But he'll just sit in her room and watch that rat. It's so funny. All right, so I think that this is what I'm gonna do. I am definitely gonna put vlogs on Fridays. I do them all throughout the week. So many of them. I'm just gonna put them together and show you guys on Friday because it's a day in my life, you know, cooking, cleaning. I might show you guys some exercise things that I do in the morning. I don't generally videotape those, but I do walk and I do yoga and stuff like that too. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want vlogs on Friday, because Saturday morning I cook with my son. So thinking vlogs would be good.